Ever found yourself staring at a product online, maybe a stylish t-shirt, and thinking, I like the blue one, but do they have it in red? Or perhaps a size medium instead of large? That, my friend, is the magic of product variants. And if you're running a dropshipping store with Oberlo, mastering variants is absolutely crucial to offering your customers a fantastic shopping experience and boosting your sales. Think about it. Imagine you're selling phone cases. Do you really want to create a separate listing for every single color and model? That would be a nightmare to manage, not to mention overwhelming for your potential buyers. Instead, by using variants, you can neatly group all those options under a single product listing. This not only makes your store look cleaner and more organized, but also allows customers to easily find exactly what they're looking for without endless scrolling. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Oberlo and uncovering the simple yet powerful process of setting up variants for your dropshipped products. Whether you're just starting your e-commerce journey or looking to refine your existing store, understanding variants in Oberlo will be a game changer. We'll walk through the steps, highlight key considerations, and equip you with the knowledge to showcase your products in the most effective way possible. So, buckle up, and let's get those variants sorted. First things first, you'll need to have Oberlo installed and connected to your Shopify store. Once you're all set there, the journey to variant mastery begins when you're importing a product. Let's say you found a fantastic supplier on AliExpress through Oberlo, and they offer their trendy sunglasses in black, brown, and green, as well as in standard and polarized lenses. Instead of importing each of these combinations as separate products, Oberlo allows you to bring them in as variants under a single trendy sunglasses listing. During the import process, you'll typically see a section dedicated to variants. This is where the magic happens. Oberlo usually automatically detects the different options available from the supplier. In our sunglasses example, you should see options for color with values like black, brown, and green, and another option for lens type with values like standard and polarized. Here's where you take control. You can customize these variant names to better suit your brand and target audience. Instead of just color, you might want to use frame color for more clarity. Similarly, lens type could become lens option. Remember, clear and concise labels help your customers make informed decisions. Next comes the crucial step of pricing. Oberlo allows you to set individual prices for each variant. This is incredibly important because different variants might have different costs from your supplier. For instance, the polarized sunglasses likely cost you more than the standard ones. You can adjust the price markup for each variant accordingly, ensuring your profit margins are accurate across all options. Don't forget about the SKU or stock keeping unit. While Oberlo often automatically assigns SKUs, it's good practice to review and potentially customize them. A well-organized SKU system can be invaluable for inventory management, especially as your store grows. You might want to incorporate information about the color and lens type into your SKUs for easy identification. Another important aspect is managing inventory. Oberlo usually tracks the inventory levels for each variant as reported by your supplier. This helps prevent overselling and ensures you're not offering products that are out of stock. Pay close attention to these inventory levels and consider setting up notifications within Oberlo to alert you when stock is running low for specific variants. Now, let's talk about the visual appeal. High-quality images are essential for any e-commerce store, and variants are no exception. Oberlo typically imports the images associated with each variant from your supplier. However, it's crucial to review these images and ensure they are clear, well-lit, and accurately represent each option. Consider using multiple images for each variant, showcasing the product from different angles. For example, for the blue t-shirt variant, you'd want to display clear images of the blue t-shirt. Taking it a step further, you can often rearrange the order in which the variants are displayed on your product page. Think about what information is most important to your customers. For a t-shirt, size and color are usually primary considerations, so you'd likely want those options to appear first. Oberlo's interface usually allows you to drag and drop the variant options to reorder them. Beyond the basic setup, consider the customer experience. Make sure your variant options are easy to understand and select. Avoid using confusing jargon or overly technical terms. Clear drop-down menus or visual swatches for colors can significantly enhance usability. Think about offering a wide range of variants if your supplier supports it. More choices can lead to more sales as customers are more likely to find something that perfectly meets their needs. However, be mindful of not overwhelming your customers with too many options, which can sometimes lead to decision paralysis. Finding the right balance is key. Regularly review your variant setup. As your business evolves, you might want to add new variants, discontinue old ones, or adjust pricing. Oberlo makes it easy to manage these changes within your Shopify admin. Finally, remember to test your product pages thoroughly after setting up variants. Ensure that all the options are displaying correctly, the images match the selected variant, and the pricing is accurate. A smooth and error-free shopping experience builds trust and encourages repeat business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.